saying, guys, we are on our way to New York City today, going to NAB. So, you know, it's like the smaller version of NAB in Vegas there. So, on my way in, gonna catch the train in because I don't want to drive in. That's no fun. So, yeah, looking forward to it. Gonna meet up with Blackmagic and some other companies that, you know, might be there. I'm not sure who all is gonna be there, but, you know, probably meet up with some people that I know, kind of show a little FaceTime, if you will. And maybe I'll make it out to Vegas to the big one. Went out there a few years ago, and that one was huge. That was cool. But yeah, about to catch a train here. So yeah, show you a little bit of what's going on there, what's happening, and what it's all about at NAB here. See you in the city. All right, hoofing it, getting there. A few more blocks to go. Madison Square Garden, Penn Station, down to the Javits Center. It's up the street here. We're almost there, so be there soon. Whew. Just about to the Javits Center. You ever wonder how big this place actually is? Let me give you a quick pan of it. It's huge. Not as big as the Vegas Convention Center, but it is big. That's it. It's wrap time to get out of here. Let's go one of my favorite spots, Modern Bread and Bagel. This bagel's gluten-free. Sit back on the train, a little coffee, got my bagels right here. It's a wrap for New York City NAB. It was pretty cool. I mean, some good stuff there. Saw some people from Blackmagic that I know. Ran into Chadwick there. That was nice. Love to catch up with him when I can, although we don't really get to do it that often, but I do catch him at some shows and things like this at the Javits Center there. But worked out really well. I thought it was good. You know, not too much stuff. Most of it's broadcast stuff, so it doesn't really apply to me. But always fun to look at it nonetheless, and just kind of see what's out there, what's available, and you know, what kind of freebies they got. So it's cool stuff that you get out there, you know. So met up with some people at Blackmagic. That's always fun. I enjoy meeting with them and chatting with them and telling them what I like about, you know, all the new Blackmagic stuff and whatnot. So overall, I think it was a good trip. I did get to my modern bread and bagel, the best, gluten-free, everything that I've ever found anywhere. I mean, they're amazing. There's a couple locations in Manhattan that I always stop at, depending on where I'm at. So I made the trip down there, and I should have threw in a little video of it, but I'll throw a website down there. You can check it out, because you can order online too, and I think they'll send it to you. Actually, pretty cool. But amazing bagels. It's the best. So with that said, I'm driving back home here, back to Jersey, back across the river, and yeah, that's about it for this one. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.